This right here used to be what I used in the garage for any of the vlogs. It's the Samsung Galaxy S20FE. The quality of the videos came out relatively good. I was okay with the quality of it. If you're not new to the channel, you know that I have a GoPro Hero 10. I did try it out as my stationary camera in the garage as well. 45 minutes into a video and it overheated. It rendered it useless. I do use this for my moto vlogs. Not wanting to wear out my phone and having no luck with the Hero 10, I jumped on the internet and I did a little bit of research, stumbled upon a Sony ZV-1. Really liked the idea of it, liked the fact that it had the optical lens, built-in ND filter. I considered it. A couple things that I found out right away that it didn't have was a built-in ND filter and an optical lens, which I'm alright with it not having the optical lens. The built-in ND filter would be kind of nice to have, but it wasn't a game changer. The one that I ended up going with was the Sony ZV-1F. I do plan on buying an adjustable ND filter that'll just clip onto the lens. This is what my current setup looks like right now. Got a cheap tripod that I got off of Amazon. I think I maybe paid 25 or 30 bucks for it. Cheap little Ulanzi light on the top. Another reason why I went with this camera too is because if we go anywhere, I want to be able to take a good reliable camera that's not going to overheat if it's hot out. And the size of this camera is like almost half the size of what my phone is. So there's a bunch of different review videos all over the internet about these cameras, so I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty of it. As you can see, I'm sitting in the garage right now. I got the window light coming in. I do still have the light on the camera on, and I've got the ceiling light on. I'm gonna do a couple quick sweeps past of the bike, up close and far away, just to see how the video quality is. Just in case anybody is thinking about getting this camera to do videos in your garage. I do still have the active stability on the camera, so if my hand does shake a little bit, it won't hopefully affect the quality of the video too much. I also do have the Ulanzi light on the top still on. Can't really tell too much on the LCD screen or the LED screen how the quality of the video is actually going to turn out. When I'm making my moto vlogs too, I do want to be able to take it with me, put it on a little tripod or whatever if I can find like an area, like a conservation area to park, and just sit beside the bike and don't feel like talking in my helmet. Then I can just pull it out, set it up, and then do just a quick little vlog. So this is what it looks like in the garage with the Ulanzi light off and just the natural window light and the one light that I have on the ceiling. Let's go test it out outside, see what it's like without the ND filter. Before we go outside, this is what the setup looks like. The little dead cat on the top, if it'll focus, there we go. Little dead cat on the top. I do have a small little tripod too that I bought on Amazon. I think it maybe cost me like 10 bucks. Screws up on the bottom. One thing I did see in a review video too, that if you have polarized glasses on, you can't see the LED screen. I can confirm that's true. I went to turn the camera on, pressed the button a couple times, and I couldn't even tell if it was on with my glasses on. Massive tomato plant here. Kind of zoom in. I'll go into the middle a little bit. I do have the product zoom still on it too. Cucumber plants are doing really good. And a bunch of cucumbers coming in. That's huge. There's a bug in the background. Hot pepper plant right here too. Snapping in the room. We're back in the garage. Still have it on the little tripod. The light's not back on it. Still have the dead cat on. Hopefully the quality of the video meets your expectation. Thanks for checking it out. Hopefully it was useful for you. If it was, and you don't mind pressing that thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. Till next time, keep your shiny side up, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.